I'm going to show you what's always in my fridge. First of all, I have Miyoko's mozzarella. Berries, because I love snacking on berries, especially blueberries. Oh, Kite Hill ricotta, it's probably my favorite spreadable cheese. Some sort of nut butter. I have every type of nut butter. Right now, my favorite is pistachio butter. I've recently started getting these and I keep buying them over and over again. They're called Better Bagel. Pepperoncini, I always say it wrong. Greek pepperoncinis, I love spicy stuff. The last thing is Simos. I take this every single morning. Those are basically my essentials. It was really hard to pick, to be honest.